Pag gusto na mag-asawa ng isang lalaki, men will get married for just one reason. Prangkahan lang tayo. Kaya ng isang lalaki na mabuhay mag-isa. He can work and provide for himself. Hindi naman niya kailangan magluto para kumain. Hindi niya naman kailangan maglinis ng bahay lagi-lagi. At definitely marunong din siya maglinis ng bahay. Ang point nyo, kailangan ng lalaki ng well, he can have sex with women. Pag ang isang lalaki nagdesisyon to have a wife, dahil yan sa isang very simple reason lang or reasons, with a wife, you can now have love, you can now have support, and you can have affection. So if you now have a husband and dati lahat ito nabibigay mo sa kanya and ngayon hindi na, ang ibig kong sabihin, you're not leading with that in your relationships right now with your man. Love, support, nurturing, and respect. Biglang wala na nun. Diyan na po nagsisimula ang lahat. O, nagtatapos ang lahat.